The kind of life out here is totally different. It's actually so different from the kind of life we are used to spending on a everyday basis when we are in the city. As you guys can guess, I have reached Bortirbil, and before I go and show you the entire beauty of the place, I'm trying to also show you guys how the area looks, as in the area beside Bortirbil. Right now I'm here with Sean Mitra again, and he's trying his best to click a nice picture. I cannot hear anything else other than my own voice, and every time Sean Mitra is speaking, it's really nice. So, as you guys can already guess, we are here at Bortirbil, and we are super glad that it's not evening yet. The time right now is 2:49 in the afternoon. Feels hot, but then the weather is much better than what we experience almost every day. It's not that hot. We are really thinking that we might, take a boat and go somewhere deeper into the place, because like I said in my last video, we had some talks with some people out here, and they have told us that they will take us to some place nice to shoot nice videos and also click nice pictures. He is the one taking us. নাম বলে দাও আর তোমার ফোন নাম্বারটা আমি দিয়ে দেবো, যাতে লোক আসলে তোমাকেই ফোন করে।
ফোন নাম্বার বলবো?
নাম বলো, তারপর ফোন নাম্বার বলো।
নিশিকান্ত বিশ্বাস, বত্তিরবিল। ফোন নাম্বার বলি? হ্যাঁ বলে দাও। 9051413288.
So anyone who is coming here, we had a talk with this guy, and you can totally, what if we come here, you have to find the place out. That's the most difficult part. While coming today, we are not following Google Maps. We kind of lost way, but that's good. We got to see some nice places. So last time we came here, Sean Mitra asked me a very nice question, why this place is called Bortirbil, and that is the answer he wanted to find out, and I also wanted to find out. So we have here Mr. Mithun, and যে এই জায়গাটা Bortirbil নাম কেন?
এই জায়গাটা 32টা গ্রামের মাঠ নিয়ে একটা বিল, ওই জন্য Bortirbil বলা হয় একে। প্রত্যেক বছরেই জল হয় এখানে। আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। লোকে যারা গরিব আছে তারা মাছ ফাছ ধরে খায় এখান থেকে। আচ্ছা, মানে একটা বছরের একটা 3 মাস জল থাকে এখানে, ওই 3 মাসটা লোকে মাছ ফাছ ধরে খায় এখানে।
তো বাকি কোনো সময় জল থাকে না? বাকি পুরো বছর?
বাকি টাইমটা জল থাকে না।
আর এখানে মোটামুটি কবে থেকে এত লোকজন আসা শুরু করছে?
3 মাস হচ্ছে।
না এমনি আগে লোকজন আসতো?
আগে আসেনি, এটা আমি ছেড়েছিলাম আগে থেকে।
আচ্ছা,
তো ফেসবুকে তারপরে অনলাইনে ছেড়েছিলাম। এই প্রত্যেক রবিবারে তোমার 200 300 500 1000 1200 2500 পর্যন্ত লোক হয়েছে এখানে। চলো ঘুরতে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি, না গেলে বুঝতে পারবে না কিরকম জায়গা, আর না আসলেও মিস করবে। যে আসবে না সে মিস করবে খুব।
You heard him right. You have to come here to feel this. I really wish it was winters now, and I really think শীতকালে জল পড়ে? জল থাকে?
জল থাকে, অল্প থাকে।
So this might be a very good place, for people who are thinking of going out in winters, day rides and everything. It is going to be a very nice place. Takes a long time because it's around 50 kilometers, but if you are taking the main road, it will feel like you are riding for 500 kilometers. I felt that today.
আচ্ছা দাদা, এখানে মানে কি কি ধরনের মাছ পাওয়া যায়?
এখানে কই মাছ, শোল মাছ, লাটা মাছ, তোমার চিংড়ি মাছ, তারপরে আছে ট্যাংরা মাছ, শিঙি মাছ, মাগুর মাছ।
আচ্ছা,
We have come so far in this boat ride that Shaunmito just referred. If you know, like, if we end up being here, we won't be able to go back. Like, it's so far out, and and even like we asked him like if he could take us the entire stretch, like take us all around the place. He just said one thing: it will take us 3 days at least to cover the entire place. So this is the kind of boat we are traveling on. He tells us it's a 5-person boat, but I really think 2 people is more than enough on this because it can get really scary. It can get really wobbly as well. Also, last time we came here, it was all dark out. This time, it's totally there is a lot of light, and that feels so nice. To our surprise, like I asked him how this place got popular and everything. This guy himself, and with the help of someone else from Barashat, they have uploaded the first video and the first pictures of this place, and ever since then people are going crazy over it. And why will you not go crazy over a place like this? It's so empty, it's so peaceful, and it's so amazing in every possible sense.
এই জায়গাটা এতই সুন্দর, ওই জন্য লোকে দেখতে আসে। সৌন্দর্য জায়গাটা দেখলে না দেখলে কেউ বিশ্বাস করবে না। যে এসছে সে আরেকবার আসছে, 2বার 3বার করে।
আমরাও 2বার আসছি, এটা আমাদেরও দ্বিতীয় নম্বর।
হ্যাঁ, যে আসছে সে 2বার 3বার করে আসছে, আর যারা আসছে না বাড়ি থেকে মিস করছে, কি করবে?
তারা আমার ভিডিও দেখবে, চাপ করে
ভিডিও দেখে দেখে মিস করবে, যে জায়গাটা যেতে পারলাম না।
মিঠুন দার সাথে দেখা হলো না।
And এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি তো মাঠের মধ্যে জল জমে, সেই জলটা আসে কোথার থেকে?
জলটা বৃষ্টির জল হচ্ছে,
এই পুরো বৃষ্টির জল জমে?
বৃষ্টির জলে জমে এরকম হয়েছে। 32টা বিলের মানে 32টা গ্রামের মাঠ নিয়ে একটা মাঠ হচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা,
আর ওই জন্য 32 বিল হচ্ছে নাম হচ্ছে। বৃষ্টির জল দিয়ে মাঠটা পুরো ভরে যায়। আর ছোট ছোট পুকুরে, ঠিক আছে, পুকুরে তারপরে তোমার কুনিতে যেগুলো মাছ থাকে তার থেকে বাচ্চা হয়ে মাছগুলো হয়, সেখান থেকে সবাই মাছ ধরে।
আচ্ছা,
so our much awaited boat ride, it's coming to an end, sadly, but then we actually enjoyed it. And Mithunda out here, he told us one special thing you really need to know about this. It's like the other people who comes here, and you know, other people who takes people out on the boat rides, they do not take you this far out just because he takes responsibility of this place. He always makes it a point to take you to the farthest point possible on this boat. So he takes you till there. So if you are coming to Bortirbil, make sure to come and look out for this guy. The number is also will be given in the description below. So go ahead and check it out. Really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Can't even express how beautiful this feels. I really wish it was winters right now. It would have been so amazing. অনেক ধন্যবাদ, অনেক ভালো লাগলো জেনুইনলি।
আমাদেরও ভালো লাগলো।
Already people have started coming in. It's almost 4 in the afternoon. Very hungry, that's for sure. Very hungry. So this place is very close to Barakpur. Actually, I had a feeling that this place is close to Barashat, but it is not. It is closer to Barakpur. So when you are near Barakpur and you are a Bengali who loves biryani, you cannot say no to Dada Baudi's biryani. So we might go and have biryani from Dada Baudi's. Sonmitro, আমরা দাদা বৌদি খেতে যাচ্ছি তো? Yes. Sonmitro has said we are going for Dada Baudi biryani. So yes, we are going for Dada Baudi biryani. So we are totally done here. We both of us are very hungry. কতটা খিদে পেয়েছে ভাই? We are thinking of going to Dada Baudi's biryani and maybe go to a nice ghat in Barakpur and enjoy a nice sunset as well. So that's the plan from here. Let's see how much we can make of the plan we have in head. See you in a bit. Done having the biryani in Dada Baudi's. Never felt so full after having a biryani. Feeling so full. We are going to a nice ghat from here called Panihati Ghat. We're gonna sit there for 15-20 minutes and then start heading back because it is not recommended to ride as soon as you are done having the lunch. And we had lunch at 5:30 in the evening. Best way to end a nice day. Come to Ganga, sit for some time, relax and then head back towards home. The time is almost 6:30 now and I am at Panihati. I'll have to go till Godiya Narendrapur. I have no idea how long it's gonna take, but then I really need to do it fast because I have some work at home as well. Thank you Sonmitro for all the nice things. He has helped me a lot with the video and he has also clicked the amazing thumbnail you guys just saw. So see you guys once I get home. Got home guys, got home exactly at 8:58. I really planned before going out that no matter what happens I'll try to come home by 9. So I'm super successful that I came home by 9. Today I can say I'm not late. what a day it was. I really had a lot of fun. Was really overwhelmed with the kind of things I got to see there. The biryani I had in Dada Bodi's. Really hoping that you guys have enjoyed watching this video, because I really think you will enjoy watching this video. As always, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are seeing my face and my videos for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button. Please subscribe. This is a new channel. Maybe 1000 soon enough. Like, support me in that. And comment down your thoughts. The name of the place is Borthir. I'll put a link in the description for the location, and also I'll put the number of that person you need to call when you go there. You can go and get someone else as well, but then that guy is really good and he will give you a different kind of tour from other people. And finally, share this video among your friends. Tell them about this place, Borthir, and tell them about my videos. They might enjoy it as well. New video coming up on Thursday. Really hoping to see you guys soon enough. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, and I'll see you next time.